What's up, everybody? I am Sister Slayash and welcome to my channel, Boo Sugars. If you are new here, welcome for the first time, and I hope this won't be your last. So go on, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't letting you go nowhere, boo. You with me now. You ain't ever leaving. I'm gonna stalk you. I'm gonna hide in the bushes. I'm just playing. But go on, like and subscribe. Do that. Y'all, I hope y'all miss me too. I've been very slow on the uploads these past few weeks, and I apologize. So today I look a little different. Excuse my little hairs right here. I'm gonna fix that. I got the coral wig on, you know what I'm talking about. Got on my coral Easter dress popping, and some Walmart earrings and baby pink coral in this B. You hear me? This look is expired. I said expired. Good, my look spoiled, honey, throw it away. Anyway, this look is inspired by Pantone 2019's color of the year, which is Living Coral. Yes, come on, Coral. But I know I'm a little late. It's freaking March technically, and I'm just now doing the color of the year. But oh well, it's here, it's done. Live for it. And also, the cool thing about this video today, I got a few little new goodies I'm gonna try. Got this here. This is the Art Library, the new matte collection. I have one of the eyeshadow palettes. This is FLAME-BOYANT. I'm going to be using this for my look today. So excited. And also, Revolution Cosmetics or Revolution Makeup or whatever the hell you want to call them, they have been snatching wigs, edges, and kitchens. They have released some new products. Well, I don't know, they do the Ulta, I can tell you that much. And I had my little purse, had my little $15, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna try these out. So they have the banana powder in deep. So I'm gonna try this and see how it works. They have this cut crease canvas, which I'm not gonna do a cut crease look today, but I'm probably gonna use this as an eyeshadow base. I do have a concealer and my eyebrows have already been done. And they also have this bake and blot powder. I have something similar to this, but it's more of a brightening powder by KKW. But I don't necessarily want to brighten. I just want to blot because, honey, my face be chicken grease oily. You hear me? So I want to see how this product looks. I'm really excited. And with all three of these, this retails for $8. This retails for $8. It retails for $9. And they had a buy two, get one free. And so with my $15 worth of points and my $3.50 coupon with the purchase of $15, guess what I paid? Free $99.98. Ain't that great? So yeah, if you are ready to see me, you know, rock this finger wave, you know what I'm talking about, and get this tutorial popping, just stay tuned, Boo Sugar, because I'm coming with it. Damn. This concludes my Pantone Universe inspired living coral makeup tutorial and hair tutorial. If you have any questions, just put them in my comment box. And if you have not had the chance to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, we would love to have you over here at the Slay Nation. And once again, thank you for watching, Boo Sugars. I will see you soon. Bye.